Good morning, students. Welcome you all for Next Generation Learning. Today, we are going to see the subject Science and Class 4, Chapter number 4, Keeping Safe. Topics: First Aid, Giving First Aid Box, First Aid in Different Situations, and Book Bag Exercise. The first topic is First Aid. And look at this image. What happens when you accidentally get a cut or wound on your hand? We want to give the first medical help. That first medical help is called first aid. When we have to give that first aid, which is given to a injured or a sick person before taking him or her to a doctor, is known as first aid. So here the new word, that is injured. What is meant by injured? The person who affected by cut or wound, that persons are called injured person. So the first medical help given to that injured person before taking him to doctor, that is called first aid. So giving first aid, we have to follow some steps. What are that? First one, make the injured person lie down or sit comfortably. Move him or her very carefully. First, you have to make them to sit that injured person comfortably and carefully. The next one, always stay calm and try not to panic. So, don't shout near the injured person. You have to be quiet and you try not to fear the injured person. You don't make the injured person to fear. If too many people gather around the injured person, ask the crowd to move away. Maybe the so many people are crowded around the injured person means what you do? You make them to move the crowded people. Children should call for an adult or a doctor who can help the injured person in such a situation. Maybe the children is handled the injured person means the children first call to an adult. You can call your father, mother, or any other persons. Otherwise, you can make a call to doctor. So these are the rules for giving first aid. The first one, the injured person should sit comfortably or lie down. And always stay calm. Do not make any noise near around the injured person. And don't take fear to injured person. Don't make a crowd on the injured person. So these are the rules for giving first aid. The next one, first aid box. So what is meant by first aid box? The first aid box is a kit that contains items for providing basic medical help. Look at this image. The first aid box is in a red color and it was the plus symbol is written on that box. So it represents the first aid box. This first aid box contains many things. So what are that? It contains cotton, bandage, antiseptic liquids and creams, ointment for burns, some medicines and many other things. So what is meant by first aid box? The first aid box is a kit It contains items for providing basic medical help. And look here, the blue color, that liquid is called antiseptic solution. And the next one is burn cream. And the third one is medicines. The fourth one is different type of bandage. The next one, antiseptic cream and thermometer. The last one is cotton roll. Then scissors, ointment and cream. These three things are in the first aid box. So how to give first aid for minor cut and wound? Minor means small. So look at these two images. When we are using blade and a knife and razors, unfortunately we can cut our hand or some other places. So these cuts are called minor cuts. So how to give first aid for this minor cut? The first, you have to take a cotton and clean this cut or wound with antiseptic liquid. Using the cotton and antiseptic solution, we can clean the wound or cut. The next, after liquid dries, apply antiseptic cream on it. Then cover the cut or wound with cotton wool. After covering the cotton wool, you take a bandage and tie around it. These are the rules for first aid for minor cut and wound. What you do first? First, you have to take a cotton and antiseptic solution. Using the antiseptic solution with the cotton, you can clean that cut or wound. After liquid dries, you take antiseptic cream, apply on the wound or cut. Then you take a cotton wool and bandage. Using the bandage, you can tie it. So these are the first aid for minor cut and wound. Look at these two images. Here, using the antiseptic solution and the cotton, you have to clean the wound. After that, using the cotton wool and bandage, you can tie it. The next one, how to give first aid for burn. So what is meant by burn? When you are handling matchsticks or hot object or hot water, you can got burns. So these burns are called minor burns. So how to give first aid for these burns? First, wash thoroughly with cold water. Then applying ice on the affected area. You have to take ice cube from the fridge and these cubes are applying on the affected area. The next, you have to take a cream or lotion applied on the affected area. If maybe the burn is a very serious means, you take the persons to the doctor. Are you understand how to give the first aid for burn? When you are handling the matchsticks or hot water or hot object, you can get the burn. So once you got the burn means what you do? Wash this burn thoroughly with cold water. Then applying ice on the affected area. After that, you have take a cream or lotion applied on the affected area. If maybe the burn is a very serious means, you have to take the persons to the doctor. The next one, how to give first aid for insect bite. You know that what is meant by insect? The housefly and bee. These are called insect. Maybe if the insect is bite means how to give the first aid. Look at this image. Here the bee is bitten by the person. If the bee is bitten means you know that that area has a red color dot. So you have the pain. So how to give the first aid? Apply a paste of baking soda and water on your stung area. You have to take some baking soda and water. You mix this baking soda with water and make a paste. This paste was applying on the affected area. If once you are applied on the affected area, it provide relief from the pain. If you don't have the baking soda and water, you can use the toothpaste. Probably if you have the Colgate means it is okay. If you take the Colgate paste and apply the affected area, it will also relieve from the pain. So these are the first aid for insect bite. The next one, first aid when someone faint. What is mean by faint? In Tamil, you know that mayakam, that is called faint. So maybe some persons are fainter means what you do. The first step, the person faint means make him or her lie down on the ground. First step, you have to take the faint person and make them to lie down on the ground. The next, make sure that head of the person is little lower his or her body. Who are affected by the faint, that person's head should be lower on his or her body. So you have to take pillow and that cushion was under the person's head. So when the head was at a lower, this allows blood to reach the brain quickly. Ensure that the persons get fresh air. So what you do? You don't make a crowd around the fainted people. If you make the crowd means the person not get the fresh air. The next one, loosen the collar and remove any jewelry or cloth around the neck. At the last, you have to take some water and sprinkle on the person's face. Then you have to call a doctor immediately. Or you understand how to give the first aid for the person's faint? First, make them to lie down on the ground. Then, the head of the person is a little over his body. So you have to take the cushion and put this cushion under the person's head. If once you do that, the blood to this allows blood to reach the brain quickly. Then ensure that the persons get fresh air. If maybe the room is closed means you have to open the windows and you have to switch on the fan. The next, loosen the collar and remove jewelry or cloth around the neck. At the last, you have to take some water and sprinkle on the person's face. The next, you have to call a doctor immediately. So I hope you understood how the first aid given for minor cut or wound, then burn and insect bite, and also faint persons. The next book exercise, take a pencil and a book. Open the book, chapter number 4, Keeping Safe. Refer your book, page number 34, and look at the first question. We should not touch electric wires with wet hand. Whether it is a true or false. You should not touch electrical wires with wet hand. The answer is true. So you have to write TRUE, true. The next one, whenever ill, we should take medicine on your own without asking an adult. Can you take medicine without asking your father or mother when you are feeling ill? No, you don't take it. So that sentence is false. We should close all the doors and windows of our house when we detect a gas leak. So when we detect a gas, you have to open the doors or windows or close the windows and doors. You should open the windows and doors, but they given close the doors and windows. So the answer is false. One must always cross the road at zebra crossing. We know that when we cross a road using the zebra crossing, we can cross. So the sentence is correct. True. Children should go for swimming alone. No, that is false. The children always should go with an adult. So the last one answer is false. You have to copy these answers in your book. The next book, page number 36. The first question, the first medical help given to a person before taking him or her to a doctor is known as, that is first aid. FIRST, first aid. AID, aid. The first aid is nothing but, that is first medical help which is given to a injured person before taking him or her to doctor. The next one, a wound should first be cleaned with a dash liquid, antiseptic liquid. Carelessness while handling boiling water can cause, maybe if you are handling the boiling water with carelessness. So what it cause? It cause burn. BURN, burn. So the answer is burn. The next one, if a person is bitten by a bee, a paste of dance and water should be applied on the stung area. I discussed in the video, using the baking soda with the water you can apply the stung area. So baking soda, PAKING, baking soda, SOAD, soda. You have to write this answer in this fill up. The next one, a dash contains items for providing basic medical help. Which contains providing basic medical help? The first aid kit. The first aid kit contains the items for providing basic medical help. You know that the first aid kit contains cotton, bandage, antiseptic, liquid, cream, ointment, medicines, thermometer, and etc. You have to answer, you have to write these answers in this fill up. The next one, open the book, page number 37 and 38. Listen the first question, choose the correct answer. The first question, which of the following can cause us to slip and hurt ourselves? Wet floor, sharp knife, electrical object, medicine cabinet. The wet floor can cause us to slip and hurt ourselves. So the answer is wet floors. The next one, what should be the immediate action in case of a gas leak? light a matchstick, switch on an electric bulb, open the door and windows of the house, call the ambulance. The correct answer is option C, open doors and windows of the house when we detect a gas leakage. So option C is the correct answer. The next one, which of the following is not a good safety practice to be followed on the road? Option A, walking on the footpath instead of the road, crossing the road at zebra crossing, following traffic rules, listening to music on headphones while walking on the road. So, which is not a good safety rules? The last one, option D, listening to music on headphones while walking on the road. That is a not good safety rules to be followed on the road. The fourth question, in a playground, one should not push or hit anybody, hurt himself or herself on slides and swing, go too close to the moving swing, all the above. In a playground, you should not push or hit anybody and hurt himself or herself on slides and swing. You do not go too close to the moving wings. So all the above is the correct answer. Option D is the correct. The fifth question, what should be applied on a bee sting to get relief from pain? Powder, paste of baking soda and water, baking soda only, water only. The option B is the correct answer. You have to apply the paste of baking soda with water on a stung area. So option B is the correct answer. The next, you have to open the book page number 38 and look at the Roman B, fill in the blanks. The first question, we should never touch electrical wire and socket with wet hand. The answer is wet hand. W-E-T, wet hand, H-A-N-T. If you touch the electrical wires and socket with wet hand means you may get electric shock. The second question, clothes made of dash fiber catch fire very easily. Maybe the clothes made up of synthetic fiber means it will catch the fire easily. So you should not wear the synthetic cloth in the kitchen. So synthetic, S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C, synthetic fiber. The next one, we should cross the road at dash. Where we should have the cross the road? We should cross the road at zebra crossing. So the answer is zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. The fourth question, children should always go to public places with an adult. So without an adult, you should not go for public places. That means park, hospitals, play, market. In these places, you should go with your parents. The parents are called adult. A-D-U-L-T, adult. The fifth question, when someone faint, make the person lie down so that the head is than the body. The head should be lower than the body. So the answer is lower, L-O-W-E-R, lower. The next, Book page number 38. Listen the first question. State whether the following are true or false. You have to write whether it is true or false. The first question. If something has been placed at a height in our homes, we should climb on a shelf to get it. Maybe if some things are placed at a height in your home, what do? You can climb on a shelf to get it? No. You should use the ladder or chair. You can take the things. So here the given sentence is false. False. The second one, we should handle we should handle hot vessels using a cotton cloth or tongs. Yes, using the cotton cloth only we should handle hot vessels. The answer is true. The third question, in a playground, one must always stand close to the swing? No. In a playground, no one should stand near close to the swing. So the answer is false. The fourth question, first aid is given before taking the person to the doctor. When we have to give the first aid? Before taking to doctor, we have to give the first aid. So the answer is true. The next one, a first aid box contains only medicine. No, that is false. The first aid box contains cotton, scissor, thermometer, antiseptic solution, cream, and etc. It does not contain only the medicine. So the answer is false. The next book page number 38. Identify the places in the following picture. State any two safety rules that should be followed in each of the places. So look at the image and say the place, name of the place, that is swimming pool. So you have to state any two safety rules that should be followed in these places. In a swimming pool, use a swimming ring while swimming. So if you are swimming in the swimming pool means you can use the swimming ring. The next one, do not run or play around the pool. You should not run or play around the pool. These are the two safety rules should be followed in the swimming pool. The next image is classroom. So you have to write the classroom. You have to follow the two safety rules in the classroom. The first one, do not play in classrooms. The next one, do not climb on the desk. These two safety rules you should be follow in the classroom. The third diagram is kitchen. So what are the two safety rules you have to follow in the kitchen? The first one, do not play with matchboxes. The next one, do not play near burning gas stoves. Maybe the gas stove is burning means you should not play near the burning gas stoves. These are the two safety rules you should be follow in the kitchens. Dear students, take your book and open your book. Open the book page numbers 36 to 39 and write the discussed answers in your book and send to my personal WhatsApp number, taking photo and send to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood how to write the book back exercise answers and you understood what is meant by first aid box and how to give the first aid at a different situation. Thank you for watching.